So for today, I'm going to teach you how to buy WIF on your Coinbase wallet. So basically, you need to open your Coinbase wallet application on your device. And before acquiring WIF tokens, ensure that your Coinbase wallet is funded with cryptocurrency. You can purchase crypto directly within the wallet using various payment methods. So for example, I wanted to fund my Coinbase wallet with the coin or Bitcoin. Just simply click the buy button and simply change the network into Bitcoin and choose your payment method, whether it is debit or credit card or even P2P bank transfer. Use the Coinbase wallets in-app to access a DEX exchanger that operates on the Solana network, and on the DEX, select the cryptocurrency you have in your wallet, like for example, the Bitcoin. Enter the amount and execute the swap. And please take note that the Coinbase wallet supports the storage and management of WIF tokens, but purchasing them directly through Coinbase main platform may not be available. If you found this video so helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.